I'm gonna show you how dirty our glass window here in our mountain. So you see there is green. There's green. Yeah, that one there. You see green from the pollen of oak trees. See, spring is here in Sunshine State of Florida. Sunshine State of America, Florida, USA. And cars turning into green, so it's so hard to keep it clean. So on this video I'm gonna show you how I get rid of this green dust from the tree. If you can see on the top of the car, look, it's green, it's pollen. It doesn't matter how you clean it every day, it will turn green. And so as the windshield and the windows. So I am gonna clean this and sit back, relax, and enjoy. And thank you for being here. God bless everyone, and be safe. Enjoy this video. Spring cleaning. Let's go. We need glass cleaner and a paper towel. I like to just spray it in a paper towel and clean the window. So at least you can isolate where you don't have to touch the paint of your car. See? There you are. And then to the next. See? It turns green. I don't know if you can see it, but it's green. Ew. So dirty. I will give it a good second wipe. Ayan! This side is clean. And let's move on to the other side. Continue lang po sa ating pag-clean. Ayan, madali lang ito kasi pa ito eh. Pinas yung kwalito sa sakin ito. Kaya malinis pa yung jeep ko. Ay naku, tagal na yan. Hindi ko nalinisan. Kaya tingnan nyo. Napaka-dirty ng window. And then we'll go ahead and clean the front window. Enough na. Natin no steam for the parang may pagka. Yeah. Oops. So wet your towel really well. Hard-headed yung mga bugs sa windshield. Tingnan natin ito. Lipat tayo dyan sa kabila. Iwag ko lang ang aking camera. Ayan. Dito na yun. Ayan. Okay. One more side. At tayo ay tapos. So, ayan. Spray lang natin. Dapat is real wet. Sa inyo nakikita. Ayan. Para. Malinis talaga. Super dirty. Green and black mix. Ay, ma-dry bugs. Yung dead bug. Sa windshield, ang hirap tanggapin. Tanggalin. So hard to take it off. Wait lang siya sa aking Timothy. Walang iwanan. Hindi lang siya sa mga members dyan. Ayan. Dahil ang ating kamot ay maikli lang. Ang hirap to. Ang hirap maabot. Ayan. Tapos na po tayo ng ating reason tayo makinisin din ang loob ng ating sasakyan. Kasi ang glass niyan ay marumi din. Kaya ito, hindi na natin. Kaya pala, ang nasa spot. So, balikan natin. Tara! Malinis na ang ating windshield. At saka mga window, mga side mirror, linis na. And thank you guys for watching. I am so blessed that you guys are very supportive, and thanks for the blessing, and good luck. God bless everyone. Until next time, enjoy life. Ayan. Ayan, bakit pa ako nagbi-video? Because marami pa akong family and loved ones in the Philippines. They wanna see how I'm doing in America. Kaya yan. But other than that, thank you for watching. Until next time. Bye!